We go to a TVJ News follow-up now. The deepening SSL saga has taken another turn amid reports that Usain Bolt's investment account under the company's name Welljen LLC is also registered in St. Lucia. We used the company's address on the leaked documents to see what we could find. But as you'll hear in this report, we didn't get far. Here's why.
According to the documents, the Welljen business address is listed as First Floor Bourbon Street, P.O. Box 1695, Castries, St. Lucia. Located on that street is a library, a hardware, government offices, a credit union, and a boutique. Now, St. Lucia is a tax haven, and many Jamaican companies have set up subsidiaries in the jurisdiction, taking advantage of the 1% income tax rate. These companies are governed by the country's International Business Companies Act 1999. One of the perks is that the island maintains absolute confidentiality of its clients' details and ensures complete anonymity and security for all its offshore company formation services. These companies, like Welljen, are not required to have a physical office, but they must be earning in foreign currency. They typically hire a company secretary for their services. As for Welljen in St. Lucia, it was opened in 2012. According to reports, there are 2 signatories on the account, which was managed by then SSL employee Jean Ann Panton. It's understood that Usain Bolt is not a signatory.